Right there it sits, idling very nicely. Fan cooling it, got oil flow. Sounds pretty good. I can button it up pretty quick. Got good oil flow. That's always nice. That's about 1,000 RPM idle. Kind of nice. Sounds good. I've got it hooked up to the ICU unit, but that's just keeping the battery charged while it's sitting idle. I'm not doing anything else with it. I just set the timing with a strobe light. Can't really show it to you because it takes 3 hands. But I think I'm going to dress it out and call it done for a while.